What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and we back with another one right now. We in the fucking Maserati, and I gotta go get this shit cleaned up because we gotta take it to the airport right now, and we running out of time, so we gotta go. If you want to book this car, let me know. I can make it happen, but soon, like I say, we're gonna have the Lambos, we're gonna have all type of cars, and we're gonna go all out. So this shit just sounds like you can hear the turbo, like it just sounds so good. You hear that shit boosting? That shit like that shit sound like a jet. Like, anyway, I'm thinking about getting a second one of these. This one is not mine, but I have access to it, so technically it's my shit. So I had to sign up for this. It's $22 a month, unlimited wash. So instead of me paying $20 every fucking day, this is a lot better. It's gonna do the outside, and I just gotta vacuum it myself. So, which I don't mind doing that. All right, we all fucking finished with it. Right now, I gotta go pick my boy up. Man, what the fuck? We gotta do gas, and I gotta go pick my boy up, and we gotta go straight to the fucking airport because the customer is actually waiting for me right now. So we have no time to waste. Fuck out the way. If you guys want to connect with me, you can hit me up on Instagram, boosted_villain. I make people money, bro. I'm telling you, I print other people money while you're at work, and your asset can actually make you money. So connect with me if you like. If you want to do business, let's get it. Right now I got my boy behind me. First thing first, we have to get gas. We have to do gas. So the nearest gas station is right down the street, so we out. Niggas be acting like they know how to drive, like, and I know this nigga shit not slow. It's my car. You be why you scared to put the window down, nigga? You be acting, y'all niggas be acting like I know how to drive, nigga. If I really want to leave niggas, I can leave niggas, but just know that. Alright, we gotta go do gas. We're gonna fill it up. Customer just called me right now. We about to get on the highway. Like I said, I got my boy behind me. Can he keep up? I don't know. But yeah, let's go. So we gotta look for Terminal A. Terminal A, which is this one. We gotta stay to the right. There we go, Terminal A. Right, we here. So we about to meet up with the customer, so we're not gonna be recording. But yo, the drop off is done. It's finished. I gotta wait for my boy to pick me up, so let's get it. So my boy, he got lost. I gotta wait. See, that's what happened when niggas don't know how to drive. Nah, stop playing. My boy, he know how to drive, but he just don't know how to drive better than me. So now I gotta wait for him. So my boy saying I did not lose him. I'm pretty sure I lost him, but he's saying he didn't lose me. But between me and you, who's a better driver?
You see me, you don't know me.
I don't know you. Alright. But anyway, guys, we're done with the drop off. We're heading back to the hood. We're heading back to the hood right now. So